Sir, good evening, sir.
Hello, sir. Tell me, I could not pick up your call because I was little busy. Yeah, please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, sir, why did you call me?
So this is a query regarding a student that he has posed one question to me, sir.
Okay,
That he has got 170 marks in the CA foundation, sir.
okay,
He was in a little bit confusion
okay,
regarding the admission. So what to take? That means whether to join in the crash batch or in the study hour revision batch, sir.
okay.
This is the
Sir,
query from the students, sir.
things are very simple, sir. For example, a student failed in CA foundation with a margin of 10 to 15 marks. Then, for
So,
such students, study hours and revision exams are the best option.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Because if a student failed in within a margin of 10 to 15 marks, it means that he has worked hard and he has good command over the concepts. And due to some lack of practice, he might have got those less marks.
Yes, sir.
So if he have good practice, if he attend for study hours and revision exams, definitely he'll qualify in the next attempt.
Okay,
But
sir.
if a student gets much more lesser marks than that, that is, for example, in your case, the student got 170 marks. So
Yes, sir.
in such a case, it is always advisable to go for crash batch.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So in crash batch, what we teach in crash batch, we teach the where all the important concepts in the less time,
Yes,
and we will prepare the student. But
yes,
here we need to understand one very important thing, sir. See, if a student gets some 30 marks less or 40 marks less, what does it mean? He might not be having very good conceptual clarity.
yes,
So he is not having command on the subject. He is
yes,
not having conceptual clarity. That is the reason that the huge margin is there. See, the margin of 10 to 15 marks is acceptable. But if it
yes,
is
sir.
30 marks, 40 marks, then definitely it is a clear indication that the student should prepare his concepts very well.
Yes,
And you might ask, what are the reasons for lack of conceptual clarity? There are number of reasons, sir. Probably he may not attended the classes properly. He might not listen to the lessons properly, or the faculty who taught him might not have explained the things properly. So there are n number of reasons for that. But
yes,
once a student gets some 170 or like that, then it is always advisable for him to go for crash batch. This is my personal suggestion, sir.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
And because until and unless you have conceptual clarity and command on the subject and understand the subject, okay, you
yes,
cannot score well even in the next attempt.
yes, sir, of course.
But here I wanted to tell you one thing. If you try to understand, if a student joins in crash batch, we get more fees. Okay.
Yes,
But we don't recommend every student to go and join in
join
crash
the crash
batch.
course. Yes,
Okay. See, here there is some criteria. The criteria of the marks they get. So if they fail within a slighter margin of 10 to 15 marks, or then study hours and revision exams is the best thing for them. See, it is not
yes,
the concept of, how much of fees we get. Yeah,
yes,
in crash batches we get more fees there compared to study hours and revision exams. But we
yes,
don't suggest every student in that way. It all depends on the marks he get. So
yes,
um, if he get more marks, then study hours and revision exams. If he get very less marks and fail, then crash batch, because he definitely has to undergo the conceptual clarity one more time. He need to definitely take the classes one more time.
we need to
And
listen the classes one more time.
yes, yes.
Yes,
And another thing, what I wanted to tell you is, okay, if a student wants to attend for crash batch, now either physical batch or online batch, that the student have to decide. But either in masterminds or anywhere else, we tell one thing, sir. It is always better you attend a physical batch, because the level of understanding, the level of conceptual clarity, okay, and the level of attention, the focus and concentration on the subject, these all things will be in the next level in the physical batch, sir. Because we have seen what is happening in the case of online classes and all. So it is always a better suggestion, at least for the crash batch students to attend the classes physically so that they can experience good focus and concentration, and they may not be in a and they'll not be in a position to not to commit the same mistake again.
Okay.
So personally, this is my advice to the students. So I hope I made things clear to you, sir.
Yes, yes,
So
sir. I
in
understood.
your case, the student who got 170 marks, it is advised for him to go for
To
crash
join
batch.
crash course. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So
Yes.
you keep asking me if you have any doubt, because we need to give right advice to the students, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you come across this kind of issues anytime, immediately you make a call or drop a message. I'll call you back and I'll reply to your message. But we need to give right kind of suggestion to the students, sir.
Definitely,
Okay,
definitely, sir.
sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.